The Toyota Yaris Cross Active 2025 is a compact SUV that combines the agility of a city car with powerful performance. Below is a detailed review of its engine, safety features, and technology. 1. Engine and performance. The Toyota Yaris Cross Active 2025 continues to showcase Toyota's leadership in hybrid technology. Featuring an advanced powertrain that combines a 1.5-liter, 3-cylinder petrol engine with a powerful electric motor. This setup not only delivers impressive performance but also ensures maximum fuel efficiency, an increasingly important factor for today's consumers, especially with rising fuel prices and stricter emission standards. The 1.5-liter petrol engine belongs to Toyota's Dynamic Force series, a new generation of engines developed to improve thermal efficiency and overall performance. Specifically, this engine produces 67 kilowatts at 5.500 revolutions per minute and a peak torque of 120 Newton-meters between 3.800 and 4.800 revolutions per minute. This torque range is ideal for providing smooth acceleration and stability across medium to high-speed driving. In addition to the petrol engine, the electric motor, a crucial component of the hybrid system, offers an additional 59 kilowatts of power, resulting in a combined system output of 85 kilowatts, equivalent to approximately 116 horsepower. This seamless coordination between the petrol engine and electric motor is managed by an ECVT, electronic continuously variable transmission, which ensures smooth gear transitions and optimized power delivery under all driving conditions. One of the standout advantages of the Yaris Cross Active 2025's hybrid system is its ability to operate in full electric mode for short distances, typically under 2 kilometers, which is extremely useful for urban commuting. This allows the car to significantly reduce fuel consumption and emissions during city drives. As a result, drivers can save on fuel costs while contributing to a more environmentally friendly driving experience, an increasingly important value for modern car owners. In practical terms, the Yaris Cross Active 2025 achieves an average fuel consumption of 4.4 to 5.0 liters per 100 kilometers. Depending on driving conditions, driving style, and vehicle load, these figures position the Yaris Cross among the most fuel-efficient vehicles in its class, especially when compared to traditional SUVs powered solely by internal combustion engines. Additionally, the Yaris Cross is designed to deliver a nimble and smooth driving experience in urban environments. The lightweight body, combined with an accurate electric power steering system, makes maneuvering through tight spaces or parking a breeze. The instant torque from the electric motor also plays a key role in quick acceleration at lower speeds, ideal for overtaking in city traffic or accelerating after a red light. Another noteworthy aspect of the hybrid system is its regenerative braking capability. When the driver decelerates or applies the brakes, the system recovers energy through the electric motor, which functions as a generator to convert kinetic energy into electricity and recharge the hybrid battery. This feature keeps the battery at an optimal charge level without requiring plug-in charging. Unlike fully electric vehicles, EVs, Toyota also includes multiple driving modes to allow users to optimize performance depending on the situation. For example, EV mode enables the car to run solely on electric power, which is ideal for short distances or driving in quiet zones such as parking garages. Eco mode adjusts throttle response and air conditioning to maximize fuel efficiency, while power mode prioritizes performance and acceleration, perfect for highway driving or overtaking. In summary, the Toyota Yaris Cross Active 2025 showcases the strength of Toyota's latest hybrid technology. It's the ideal choice for drivers seeking a compact SUV that delivers powerful performance, excellent fuel economy, and environmental friendliness, all in a stylish, urban-friendly design. Toyota continues to solidify its reputation for producing reliable, durable, and efficient vehicles while enhancing the driving experience through cutting-edge powertrain innovations. 2. Safety features. The Toyota Yaris Cross Active 2025 is a clear testament to Toyota's unwavering commitment to prioritizing driver and passenger safety. Achieving a prestigious 5-star safety rating from NCAP, one of the most trusted automotive safety assessment programs in Europe. This model stands out as one of the safest compact SUVs currently available. To earn such a high rating, the Yaris Cross Active 2025 is equipped with an impressive array of advanced driver assistance systems (ADAS). These safety technologies are designed not only to prevent accidents but also to support the driver in critical moments, thereby minimizing damage and elevating the overall driving experience to a new level of confidence and peace of mind. Autonomous Emergency Braking (AEB). One of the standout features is the Autonomous Emergency Braking (AEB) system. This technology monitors the road ahead and detects pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcyclists if it senses an imminent collision and the driver has not reacted in time. It will automatically apply the brakes. What sets the Yaris Cross's AEB apart is that it operates effectively both during daylight and at night, thanks to high-sensitivity sensors and cameras. This is especially valuable when driving in residential areas or low-light environments. Lane Trace Assist. Given that lane departure is a common cause of accidents, the Lane Trace Assist system helps the driver keep the vehicle centered in its lane. If the vehicle begins to drift without signaling, the system provides an alert and, in some cases, can gently steer the car back into its lane. This feature is particularly helpful for long-distance driving or on highways, where driver fatigue or momentary distractions can be hazardous. Adaptive Cruise Control (ACC). The Yaris Cross Active 2025 also includes Adaptive Cruise Control (ACC), a significant upgrade from traditional cruise control. Using radar and camera-based sensors, ACC continuously monitors the vehicle in front and automatically adjusts your speed to maintain a safe following distance. This not only reduces driver fatigue on long journeys but also enhances traffic flow and minimizes sudden braking incidents. Blind Spot Monitoring (BSM). Another vital feature is blind spot monitoring. With sensors embedded in the rear sides of the vehicle, the system detects other vehicles in areas not visible through the side mirrors, commonly referred to as the blind spot. If another vehicle is present in this zone, the system provides a visual or audible warning, helping the driver avoid unsafe lane changes. Rear Cross Traffic Alert (RCTA). When reversing out of a parking spot, especially in tight or visually obstructed areas, it can be difficult to spot oncoming traffic. The Rear Cross Traffic Alert system uses rear-mounted radar sensors to detect vehicles approaching from either side, and it issues warnings to the driver to help prevent rear-end collisions. This feature proves especially useful in crowded urban environments. Comprehensive airbag system with center airbag. Beyond active safety tech, the Yaris Cross Active 2025 is equipped with a comprehensive airbag system, including front airbags, side airbags, curtain airbags, and a center airbag, positioned between the two front seats. The center airbag is a relatively new innovation and plays a crucial role in preventing head and upper body collisions between front occupants during side impacts. This demonstrates Toyota's meticulous attention to every detail when it comes to passenger protection, crash-absorbing structure and pedestrian safety. Moreover, the Yaris Cross features a body structure designed to efficiently absorb impact energy, reducing the force transmitted to occupants in the cabin. The front end of the vehicle is also engineered to minimize injury to pedestrians in the event of a collision, an increasingly important factor in Euro NCAP's safety evaluations. In summary, the Toyota Yaris Cross Active 2025 is not just a compact urban SUV, it's a mobile fortress of safety. With its suite of advanced driver assistance systems, rapid response to potential hazards, and thoughtful engineering focused on occupant and pedestrian protection, this vehicle fully earns the trust of modern drivers who value both innovation and peace of mind. 3. Technology and convenience. Stepping inside the Toyota Yaris Cross Active 2025, users will immediately notice a harmonious blend of modern technology and outstanding convenience, offering a driving experience that is not only comfortable but also inspiring on every journey. This model is an ideal choice for young, active customers who value functionality and smart connectivity in a compact SUV. Modern interior design with premium materials. At first glance, the Yaris Cross Active 2025 impresses with its minimalist yet sophisticated interior design. Utilizing high-quality materials throughout key areas such as the dashboard, steering wheel, door handles, and decorative trims, the cabin comes in elegant combinations of black, gray, or beige depending on the variant, creating a clean, upscale, and contemporary feel. The seats are designed ergonomically, hugging the body and providing excellent lower back support, ensuring comfort for both driver and passengers. Even on long trips, the upholstery is made of soft-touch synthetic leather, which is both durable and easy to clean, ideal for urban environments with frequent dust and pollution. Smart Central Infotainment System. At the center of the dashboard is a 9-inch floating touchscreen display. Placed at an optimal angle for visibility without distracting the driver, the interface is user-friendly and responsive, allowing quick access to various functions such as music, navigation, phone connectivity, and vehicle settings. A major highlight is the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support, allowing users to seamlessly sync their smartphones and access apps, stream music, view Google Maps, or make hands-free calls, without the need for any cables. This feature, usually found in higher-end vehicles, is a welcome addition in this segment. The system also supports Bluetooth connectivity, USB-C ports, and comes standard with a 6-speaker audio system, delivering clear and immersive sound quality for an enjoyable in-car entertainment experience. Smart climate control and heated seats. The Yaris Cross Active 2025 comes equipped with a single-zone automatic climate control system, capable of quickly cooling or heating the cabin and maintaining a stable temperature. The air vents are strategically placed and allow for flexible airflow direction, ensuring comfort for both front and rear occupants. For colder mornings or winter months, the vehicle offers heated front seats, which warm up within minutes. This feature, often absent in subcompact SUVs, demonstrates Toyota's thoughtful approach to user comfort. Premium leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel. The steering wheel on the Yaris Cross Active is leather-wrapped for a premium feel, and it integrates various controls for audio, calls, menu navigation, and cruise control, allowing the driver to operate key functions without taking their hands off the wheel. The sporty 3-spoke design, combined with fine stitching, enhances both aesthetics and grip. Spacious interior and flexible cargo area. One of the most impressive aspects of the Yaris Cross Active 2025 is its spacious and intelligently arranged interior. Despite being a subcompact urban SUV, it offers ample legroom and headroom for all passengers. The rear seats can be folded down in a 40-20-40th split configuration, providing maximum flexibility between passenger seating and cargo needs. When the rear seats are fully folded, the luggage compartment expands significantly, easily accommodating large suitcases, a folded bicycle, or multiple weekend bags for a short getaway. Additionally, the cargo floor is adjustable in height, allowing users to organize their belongings more efficiently based on practical needs. Other smart features and everyday convenience. Toyota also integrates several thoughtful conveniences such as smart key with push-button start, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, one-touch power windows for all doors, rear air vents depending on market, elegant LED ambient lighting for a modern cabin atmosphere. The Toyota Yaris Cross Active 2025 offers a well-equipped, tech-savvy interior that goes far beyond what is typically expected in a compact SUV. It's not just a car, it's a second living space, where drivers and passengers can relax, connect, work, or simply enjoy the ride in their own way. This is a smart, stylish, and practical choice for modern families, young professionals, and anyone seeking a vehicle that blends innovation, comfort, and everyday usability. The Toyota Yaris Cross Active 2025 is the perfect combination of performance, safety, and modern technology. With its fuel-efficient hybrid system, advanced safety features, and comfortable interior, it is an ideal choice for those looking for a compact SUV that suits both urban driving and long-distance journeys.